Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete paste from PDF document. So if you also want to delete paste from PDF document, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, what you have to do is click on the search bar and paste this link. This link will also be provided in the description box below. After you paste this link and press enter, you'll be led to this kind of website. From here, you'll be able to remove the PDF pages. Select and remove the PDF pages you don't need. Get a new file without the deleted pages. It's completely free. Here, you'll be able to see the option for select PDF file. All you have to do is click on it. Now, simply select the PDF from which you want to delete the page. Click on the option open. Now, here you'll be able to see all the pages of PDF. Click on the page that you want to remove. Or you can also type in the page number right over here. Now click on the option remove pages. Now you can see over here PDF pages have been removed. You can also download the PDF over here. Simply click on this option. Now you can see over here the PDF document with remove page will be downloaded. Simply click on the open icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here page number 3 has been removed. So that is how you delete page from PDF document. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.